gotta do 2 screws or 1 in each? One for now, maybe.
Put one on the very edge, and then later on you think you probably could put another one that maybe it's a little longer screw. It'll show the void there, but it's no big deal.
Gotcha.
But put one on the very edge, like say, around where you do. Yeah, like maybe half an inch from the side, from the edge.
Okay.
Where it's going to really grab some good meat there, in other words.
Right.
You know what I'm saying?
This doesn't have to be countertop, right?
No. No, from the bottom.
Alright, keep that one works. You still recording me?
Huh?
You recorded me. Alright.
That's fine. Come on. Get a little break.
Let's try it. Oh! Oh!
Really?
Yeah. That is.
So, the rest of them just are pretty easy, right?
Oh, yeah.
Dum, dum, dum.
Rest of them, quick.
Now do you space them just a little bit?
If you want to, but yeah, it's up to you. You can. If you want. Put it next to it. So you have a little board there. You got plenty of boards.
Okay.
I would not.
No?
Yeah, just kind of. I wouldn't
Yeah.
climb this down real tight, but just kind of loosely. You know.
Yeah.
Yeah. If there's a little gap, fine. I think
So these you just from the bottom.
from the bottom. What I would do, we will just establish one over here, so pretty close to over there.
Right there with that mark.
Yeah, I'll think so.
Little
Should I put
dot.
it in? Okay. Yeah, just circle it. I want you to do that, okay?
Yeah. Sit down, Dad. Sit down.
Yeah, I am. I'm
Sit
a
right.
little tired.
Yeah,
I'm real
just
tired.
relax. We'll go to the tub in here a little bit. Get some,
Been at it all day. The mouse is twinkling in.
that's how far that is.
That's good enough. You can,
So this
see, that'll penetrate through the.
Kind of deal?
Yeah, what you're gonna do is just go ahead and sink it in.
Oh, it's countersink.
All countersink. Let it steam. Let it steam.
Huh?
You gotta really put it in and let it steam. When you finish them off good, you're gonna put a dowel in
The
there.
battery.
You got a battery?
Put on charge.
Do you not have 2 batteries?
Yeah, I have to. Is that good enough, you think?
Let it burn, you know. It's not a very sharp.
I mean, that's not deep enough? You need a little
But I
deeper.
think you're gonna put a dowel in there. I was telling this about it. Later on, you can put it down there with a touch of glue, and then just cut it off with a hacksaw, and then you smooth
Right.
it off with sandpaper.
But do you think it's deep enough?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
As long as you have enough to do a countersink and
Alright.
dowel, yeah, maybe
So here we still have to cut off a little bit of this?
yeah, just the
Like
tip
how
of
much?
it, really.
Just the tip?
Yeah, pretty much just the tip. And I just put it on the ricer and then go back and forth with the pliers.
Might have been too much.
Huh?
I think I did too much on this. Too short now.
Yeah, I think that. Let's see.
Not too bad. Since you countersunk it, maybe
Yeah, a little bit too short.
I don't know why.
Yeah, just a tip. Yeah, just that way. Yeah.
Too much again, maybe?
Yeah, that'd be alright.
So,
Sit there, good.
nah, I don't know. And same with this?
Yeah. I think, well, I still have the last two slats on that side.
Okay.
But I think those are okay when I need to clamp there. Yeah, that's where you need to clamp, is that one there. I don't know why I didn't allow more room on that. You know, take a hammer to it that way.
Alright. Doesn't matter.
Is that better? For the other one try?
Yeah. Are you filming me? You're gonna run out of tape, girl. Oh man. Big. Nice. So we're done for the night, but we'll start in the morning.
Huh?
I said we're done for tonight. But
Yeah, it's quicker. The other slats, one goes right here, where the arm rests, you know.
Oh, right there on the side of the fridge.
Oh, yeah.
Nice, huh?
See that bar be going right underneath, it's supporting the back slats.
Yeah.
And then there's another one that comes across the top that you're going to cut off.
Okay, we done?
All right, day 2. We're gonna get started here with the finish up the frame and then the back right here. Finished man that bottom piece. 2 screws countersunk each board. So now we're gonna put the top rail on. And my dad is saying that what we need to do is tie a rope around this, kind of scrunch them a little bit. Like a big clamp, and then we're gonna put that top piece on. So once we do that, I think we'll be close to putting it on the base of the chair frame.
That's pre-drilling in the holes in the back upper slat there to brace the whole back of 7 units here.
All right, what we're doing now is trying to estimate the back. I went ahead and, as you can see, mounted this back brace, cut off the sides a little bit, recessed those screws in so we can hide them later. But right now, this is not exact science here, so what we're trying to do is we measured off the same distance from up here down to here and put temporary screws to kind of hold this. So when we kind of lay it here, we're trying to estimate, okay, where are we getting?
Well, here's your
Oh, okay. So we have where the arm's going to go and where the back brace is going to go in reference to the arm. So the back brace has to go this way, perpendicular. So we want to estimate, okay, based on the angle of the chair and how high we want the arm to go. So we went ahead and already measured. We took a mark. We're going to mark it and mark the same distance from the bottom on this side, and then put this back brace on while it's still off, because it's easier to do it that way. And then once we have that in, then we'll be able to. We can still adjust the angle here based on where we want it, but we'll at least have that back strap anchored. So more to come. All right. Okay, so we measured from the end. Well, first we cut off the very tips of this because they're too wide. We figure we make a gradual slope. This short, this a little bit medium, that's all the way. Just so we don't catch stuff when you're walking by it, you're not hooked on it for some reason. So we measure here, make sure this is about 5 1/4, and this is about 5 1/4 on that end, and then we measure from this to here, it's about 8 inches. That's 8, and then also over here too, just to make sure it's 13 inches. So now we're gonna put some screws, 2 right here, 2 here, and then just one, kind of similar to what we did up here. And then once we finish with this, we'll have the arms will actually rest on here, like according to what we measured earlier. So more to come.